Now we move into the second half of the evening. The next group we have is focused on bringing credit scoring to crypto. They've been working on this project for close to 9 to 10 months now. And tonight's presentation will be by Pasha Datsuk, Growth Manager at Pure Facts Financial, Edward Johnson, Founder at Incyd, and I believe we have one more presenter that you just added last minute, Pasha?
Yeah, we actually have 4 people presenting. So that'll be.
Yeah. Do you want to take a minute to introduce the other 2?
Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Awesome. Yeah, so we can get going. All right. Hi, everyone. I'm Ash Datsuk, Group Lead for ML and Blockchain. So we prepared a pretty tight agenda for you guys today. So I'll take you through our team members. Edward will talk about the vision and mission of this project. We've already put something really exciting together. So Willie will take you through the demo of that exciting thing. And Jensen will close it down with the success on the analytics front that we had. And well, I will kind of finalize it with what's in it for you to join our project. So let's jump straight in. Let's start with the team. As Amar said, he actually lied to you because we started approximately 11 months ago, not 10. Yeah, so we were here since the very beginning, and we've been able to build a great team. So now we have 9 core team members, which means that people committed to be there for the next 8 weeks. So we've divided our group into 3 teams, as you can see, analytics, data, and ops. And with that, I will pass it over to Kelly Trin, joking, to Edward Johnson to talk about our vision.
Hi, everybody. Good evening. I hope you can hear me. I'm very happy to be here. I want to talk about the vision. Our North Star, our long-term vision, is to give access to credit to the unbanked. And you know, even if you're in a highly developed economy, if you're a new immigrant and you're a highly educated professional, you will still get denied access to credit when you arrive. Now, we know that there are potential lenders who would lend to people, but those lenders need platforms to do so. And they also need to establish risk and potential returns if they lend. Now, the DeFi space already offers anyone with a phone and a crypto wallet access to lending and to credit. But there's no risk evaluation available, similar to what you might get, which is like credit scoring in traditional finance. So we challenged ourselves to build an MVP in 8 weeks to assess risk factors of a large number of crypto wallets on the Aave DeFi lending platform. And we wanted to do something that no one else has done before, which is to assess the current and historical risks of real clients without the need of accessing incumbent bank data. Now, in order to do that, we did a lot of work, but we created 3 data feeds. 1, total borrows, 2, total collateral, and 3, historical health factors at the time of transaction. And I'm going to hand over to Willie to show you this live.
Okay, thanks, Edward. And Ash, let's go to the API. What we're going to show you right now is, if nobody is familiar with this, this is Fast API's doc screen. And so this will be an API you can have access to manually or programmatically. So you can see there are 6 feeds instead of 3. So we broke down for each feature 2 different endpoints. The health factor is the latest, and then the health factor historical. We'll just look at those. So Ash, if you want to pull open the first one, what you do is put in a user wallet. Yeah, try it out. Normally, well, you may have to press a button up there that says the try it out button. And then you put in a user wallet, and then you'll hit execute and scroll down a little bit, and there will be the results. Okay, response body. Okay, we had, yeah, we'll get to that. I'll describe that in a moment. Looks like we might have an issue here with authentication. The historical endpoint, let's jump to that, is similar, but in addition, you have the option to put in start and end times, not required, but optional. If you don't put anything in, you're going to get the entire history for that feature for the given user wallet. So go ahead and hit execute. We'll see if we'll get the results. All right. Speaking of this credential things, what we have done and what we invite you to do is go to our website, Incyd, incyd.io. There is going to be a login right at the beginning, and we ask you to put in credentials to log in, and then you'll have access to the API, either here manually, like what was just shown, or again, programmatically, just with our our address itself. So that's it for the demo, what we have right now. And then now I want to hand it off to Jensen, who's going to speak further on the modeling.
Thanks, Willie. So while all of this exciting stuff is happening on the product side, our analytics team, we've been working really hard to understand how to make the data we have useful for credit scoring and what kind of modeling opportunities are available. And to do this, we built a preliminary model that predicts a very simple target, whether a user who borrows will encounter a liquidation event in the next 30 days. So the initial performance is very promising. We're getting about 0.87 AUC. And now we're looking at some really interesting ways to improve the prediction target and extract more powerful features. So for instance, we're investigating a counterfactual approach to optimize the collateral that we need from borrowers. And this will allow us to more effectively reach the unbanked. We're also looking to extract features from wallets, wallet association graphs. And these sorts of features have been shown before in the literature to be really powerful risk signals. So all in all, the road ahead looks really exciting. We hope that at least some of you will come and be a part of it. And on that note, Ash is going to talk a little bit more about all the reasons why you should join the team. Take it away, Ash.
Yeah, thanks a lot, team. That was great. And as every presentation should go with minor hiccups. So we're really sorry about that. We just recently rolled it out, so it's not super polished, but it actually works. You'll have to trust our words here. Anyway, so what's in it for us? Because it's for you and for us. We offer you to experience life in a startup, basically, because we act as a startup, we run as a startup. It's really super exciting. So you'll get to learn a lot of technical stuff, and we will share the link with you right after this presentation to our community website, where you will be able to see which technologies we use or will be using that you will be able to experience. And well, so if you're a machine learning or data scientist, machine learning engineer or data scientist, you will be able to apply your skills in one of the most emerging tech of nowadays. So yeah, and for us, it's your skills and your knowledge. So come join us. We will share the link in the chat shortly. Thanks a lot.
Thank you very much, ML and blockchain team, or should I call you guys Incyd now? Incyd, right?
Incyd.
Yeah, the project is called Incyd, yes.
Incyd.
I'm going to give the stage, the virtual stage, to Amir for a moment.
Yeah, so I wanted to say a few words about, like, some people were asking what's the deliverable of the projects in the chat. This group that you just saw is a great example of what the deliverable is. Our goal as the organizer and as the platform is to empower you to build whatever you want. Where you want to take it is up to you. So what we take joy from is seeing successes like this, that the group came together for 11 months, worked every week, several days a week together, and built something that they're proud of, build something that they can show to others. So any projects you get involved in, any discussion group you get involved in, make it your own and go as far as you want. And our role is really to help you achieve that. So this group is a great example of where you can go. So it's up to you.
Thank you very much, Amir, for that quick jump in.